Shocking results from placing an avocado on your stove. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing shocking results from placing an avocado on your stove. Have you ever looked at an avocado and thought, this could be more than guac? Buckle up, DIY fans, because today we're putting an avocado on the stove. And the results are jaw-dropping. Stick around, you won't believe what this simple trick can do. Let's face it, avocados are already food royalty. But what if heating them unlocks a hidden potential? This curious experiment is perfect for foodies, adventurers, and DIY enthusiasts who love transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Let's see how heat works its magic on this green beauty. Alright, here's how you do it. Take a whole, ripe avocado and place it directly onto a warm pan over medium heat. No oil needed. After a few minutes, flip it once. The heat caramelizes the outer layer, softening the fruit inside and revealing possibilities you never imagined. Believe it or not, a lightly heated avocado's flavor gets richer and nuttier. It tastes like a whole new ingredient. Plus, the softer texture makes it insanely easy to spread, mix, or scoop. Are you ready for ultra-creamy avocado toast or a next-level dip? This hack makes cooking more fun. Feeling inspired? Use your stove-heated avocado to make dreamy spreads or fancy garnish for soups and salads. Scoop it into a warm tortilla for the silkiest tacos ever. This simple stove trick will totally upgrade your avocado game and impress anyone at your next meal. Experimenting is what DIY is all about. And this avocado hack proves that sometimes the weirdest ideas have the most spectacular results. Heating avocados might sound strange until you taste it for yourself. This is one hack that's sure to be the talk of your next kitchen adventure. Now it's your turn to fire up the stove and give this avocado hack a try. Don't forget to share your results. Did you discover new ways to use a heated avocado? If you love this tip, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow DIYers. Let's keep the creative fun rolling.